Odofo me ma kwaba edeba Adom TV. Eni ka ma mimi sa ho te sen. Mate. Me ediam je so e ni te kotego. Na dwumadi we ye Nkuranhyensem mre. Se ho ye dia, woni me ntwa na montuo we kosimra mawie na wako nwuma akodie so. Me mpa abo no se ebe wie dwumadi we na ye nhira ama. Ene so me koso ene wa kan hyehye se wo ye. Se be abrabo ebetumpon. Abrabo a wo boi. Wa pomodne. Wa disua. Wa dwuma no wa wade. Ni nyina so ene se ka betumpon. Ase dua a wo ha fom. Se etimi enyini so aduaba na utwa bidie. Nia enyini no empo ebesai. What fails to grow will decay. So wade enyini usikasem enyini apomodini enyina no pempenso bi a se esa ne sa nenso abrabo no, it is not all that we set out to achieve that we find. Enye timopo a ye fa ye ewo nyoma ye koye nyina ho ene ensaka ebia wo kwa wade mo nda so ne se o mekope kunopa ne oyerepa bema mani agye na me ho asepa mi enso ne enko ne sa ebia wo kwa adwuma mu no otimopo ne se o mekope adwuma betua ma akatuapa na betimi ahyentare pa na me so madi mu na me disika ne bi asie nso na enko no sa enye etimopo nyina ene ensusuye nyina ene eba mu maye meboa susu a susu na nura nye na eba mu ma wo me kotan de me nya mfaso na me de bi asie ye sa na ekọ no sa ena ababotie na nso so anko ne ye kura no a you don't need to have a fixed mindset. Say, oh, anko ne ye sa na ababotie. You need to have a growth mindset. Se menya adwene a metimi ekenya me ho na mabrabo ayeyi. The power to make your life work is in your hands. The power to make your health better is in your hands. The power to make profit in your business, the power to make your marriage look good is all within your hands. Ekurao. Mabrabo nso ekurao. Even if your efforts did not turn things in the way you hoped it to be, you still have the power to change your actions. Simple timopo a wo fa no anko ne sa susu a wo fa na anko ne sa tumi ni kura wo sa obesesa abrabo e fa na self efficacy and self agency. So abrabo ye adwuma wo na wo ye adwuma mo CEO, wo na wo ye adwuma mo manager, na wo na wo ye adwuma mo labor. Se nyoma miense na abeka bomu makase ni nyina edimu eso ani na de bubra. They can make sure every idea you create about your life is achievable. Every dream you have about what you want to become is achievable. But it can only become achievable when you assess the resources you have. The first thing to remember is that no one expects you to get it right for the first time. Yes, obi ancha kwada nyame. And obi anya onsoswe wa brabom se wokwa ware be ye prekope. And se wokona sentawantawa ba ye nyamu. Ye sua de efiri mu. Ade akoton no se mfaso ama ye nyamu. Wo sua de efiri mu. Enyamu prekope. Wo ye panimu. Adesua ene beboa wo. You need to maintain hope and motivate yourself to rise above your limitations. Maintain hope and motivate yourself to rise above your limitations. Se unye ndaso na hye hu kwa na sorry ebro nyoma hye wo so no so. Wo ho ese ubu fa nyoma esi wa kwa no so. Na gina aka che won se esi me kwan de nanso metimi afamu. Now you have to make what we call self-appraisal. They say, ubisa ho say, who am I? Who am I? Me hwan? Because who are you? I mean, can't saw your bar na bema. A den they crowd war or adrian proso. A den is who na wo. A den in your ma empo why you be pain. I bet you make Kenya one why we so emana ye. When son adwuma be na crowd war. Nyan sabe na crowd war. Se bi nkura wa bibia nsi ho kwan se bepo obi a owo bie na wagye no ho akwankyerɛ na afutuo hwɛ examine whatever you are holding on to and deal with them appropriately and intelligently. Ebia na wokura suban bi, ebia na wokura adwin bi, ebia na wokura tenka bi, ɛna ɛka wo hyɛ. Ebia na suban bi ekura wo, ɛna de wadum pɛmpɛnso a wo yi. Bibia nkyerɛ sɛ kura saa suban na gye mutu baabi. Be practical by building the future you want. Your future is dependent on your own personal resources. Your future is dependent on the amount of knowledge you have. You cannot do anything beyond the knowledge and wisdom you have. Untimi nje bibi montre nyansa ne suahunu a ekura wo no so. Ense wo suban ene wo nyansa ene empo suahunu atosia. Embo ho abomfia. Ko pebi eka ho. Ye friend of personal resources. Usuban ekura wo. Nyansa ekura wo ne adesua awasua ene ye wo resources. Ye se utimi kenya mu ema etumpon. Se wohwe empo usuban mu ahodne ye friend character strengths. Uni ye mu ahodne. Usuban ne uni ye mu ahodne a wanhwe ni ya ehu abonfiabuo nyabufuo ene enko ye suban no beka wahye. These are your weaknesses. Do not allow your weaknesses to sabotage your strengths. Weaknesses ewo nioma wodwen a ema mintimi nye we dey me ani ha we dey me no chena your procrastinative nature, your lazy nature and your self-demeaning self-talk. Say we dey me na meye sansem na your weaknesses. Discard your weaknesses and grow your strengths. Take note of the things you can do better. Take note of the way you are thinking and think positive thoughts to elicit positive emotions. And your emotions will change your beliefs. So what tinka ekenya kwampa so energy ani odo eni mpo nkranhye so a ekenya nioma wugidie se betima aye na gidie ebe kenya usuban na usuban ekenya oneye. Yese utimi abribia no ayese carpenter ni awokọ adwuma. Carpenter ni okura bi ye toolbox. And then position for a number of okra polish, okra black polish, okra brown, and okra neutral, and okra brush not betray no, and okra tomago. Says I never win in a dakamua, uncle Shushano. To the concon shine, concon, not near my big in the box no. Was so a brabo, opesa a shiny ya. Yano beside what you said, near my bene go adrian proso. Okra brush na, okra polish bang. Say, why I'm sure what adrian proso. As a Pushani Adaka, and you know, a Safata and Vanguardian Posua, a brabo to mean shiny. So it's therefore important to always assess the content of your mind, to assess the content of your thoughts, to assess the content of your emotions, and to assess the content of your daily habits. That's only when you can proceed to use them to your advantage. You have to learn to upgrade those you associate with. They say abribiano sono utimi semo yi won namfofo a oni eboku shata frɛ. Woni a woji won ho afutuo. Ene woni a woji won akwankyere. Enkrata a wo kan. Ene empo enuoma ya wotiegu asomu no. Ehu hia papa. They say utimi eye nuoma esefata na wodwen sa nema ho. Then you will build your knowledge and change your thinking patterns and capacity. Say one dream nuoma esefata ho. Na wan fan namfo wode nyansa na mfutuo pa bema wo na wantie nwompa amfa subampa na wantie nyoma be kenya ho a wabrabo no gina na na begina na da yeso no enko anim da. While I will always advocate that you push yourself ahead, you must try something new. Makase onipa bia de chi bia se wo anim ade bia no nya wo ye ne nura ne se wo sakra mu ade bia nya anko ye nura no manyina mu se wo pa de foforo ye na ansa na obenya de foforo ye no se openya ansa se wo pasua hunu na ope nipa betime kenya wo na ope eniya betime asafata. Yes, wadamfo wonua abusuani bi ene empohokani betime kenya wo nanso nipa betime kenya wo yie eye wankasa. Try to appraise your situation by knowing what you can do to effect change in your life. by knowing what you can do to effect change. Open sakraye. So to me, who know betimi ayo na de sakraye bebrel. Change is not automatic. Change is engineered by how you act. Change in your crisis moments, change in your circumstances are only possible based on how you think and how you act. Since sakrabe bo abrabo mu a, ni nyina so na ye kwa abefa so adwene eno ma abaye ho. Abusua, ene de wo pen sakrabe abrabo mu a, ya na wasakra kwa afa so dwen mra ho. Na wasakra ne ma wota ayo ho. Enu kuto na de sakrabe bo abrabo mu. Change is constant. Therefore, you must have a constant renewal of your thinking patterns. Sakrabe de ekoso da biara. Sa na ese oso da biara sakra wadwene, onyansa na osua hunu na osuban mu, abraba akoyie. Aha na meja wo. Unim dada, midin a meje so ani tekotego. Ehia se me sa odin. Obo odin anka mepe. Onyame enhira o. Mefa na asema Albert cameraman na empo woni agu sound MC a na krakra mefa na asema me producer eye Priscilla Sandra na Welbeck Ampedu medamo ase. Wa hwe adwumadi e wo so nyame enhira o no wonka ho. Wo kina so ye behia.